Hey guys, it's Ruth Nanda here, aka Lo. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time coming through, and if you are stopping by again, yes girl, thank you. So this is the hair, so I'm going to be doing a tapered crochet. So yes, let's get into it. Alright, so I'm sorry I didn't get to show you my braid pattern in the beginning, but it's 3 braids straight back on the sides, connected, and spiral in the middle. So what I'm doing is installing the paisley curl by Model. I did do a video on that and how to be able to expand your pack and get more for your money, and it comes in handy, trust and believe that. But I am just installing this. This is like the neatest crochet I've ever done on my head, but I'm proud of myself. Yeah, I'm just going ahead and install that. Well, you'll see later on in the video I actually took these out on this row because I realized I didn't want to go that far up. So I went ahead and just took it out, installed more in the back, and added this expression 10-inch curlette. So I went ahead and did that. Because I wanted to have really tight curls in the back and really loose curls coming to the front. So that was the purpose of that. Yeah, I used 3 different brands for this crochet. Just was trying the hair out. It's the first time, like I said. Technically it's my second time doing a crochet, but I'm very proud of myself. It came out really good. But yeah, just keep installing. Remember to tight curls around the back of your head to the sides, which is the first two cornrows on the side. And then when you get to your 3rd cornrow closer to your spiral braid in the middle, you would add your little looser curl. And then this is the finished look. I know it's like, damn, Lorraine, you jumped right into it. But yeah, that red color is a Freatress braid, 1 curl short braid in ringlets, and it's 99J is the color. I meant to put that picture up there, but I will put a picture of the pack up there for you. What I'm doing right now is just separating the tight curls. So for me to do that, I'm just, any curl that's really tight, I'm just, just loosening it up, separating it so that it looks natural. The point of this crochet is so it looks natural, like it's my natural hair. And I just got a roller set and I just combed it out and whatever. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep doing that without trying to create a lot of frizz. Yeah, this is how it looks. I did all of the hair, the 2 top sections in the middle as well. I separated that to get as separated as I can because I'm going to go back in and chop and screw this hair, okay? Boop. So we're about to make this shit look like bomb, okay? So let's get into it. I'm just going to go ahead and just cut all the hair. Like, I'm going to style it to the way I want, like shape it to my hair. Like, I don't want it too short, but I don't want it too long. This is just a way for me to protect my hair, as well as trying out the taper cut, because I want to cut my natural hair in a taper cut, but I also want to grow it, so I'm really undecisive. And this kind of helps me to get the same vibe of short hair without cutting my hair, and protecting my hair at the same time to get the length. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep doing that like you see me doing, separating as I go if I see some tight curls, but I'm just cutting and shaping, cutting and shaping. And I'm telling you, this cutting and shaping process does take a little while. You will think you're finished, but you're technically not. I definitely trimmed after this video was over because I still seen pieces that needed to be cut. So just take your time, do it so you don't end up cutting the hair so low that you end up cutting out the crochet. But that's why I showed you how to expand your pack, girl, so you don't gotta go out and get another one. All you got to do is just, pop the extra one back in. So yeah, just keep on chopping and screw, girl. Keep on chopping and screw. Okay, this is how it looks so far. I did the sides. I'm just gonna get the top part. I want that top part to be a little longer than the sides. The front as well. I just don't want it to be too long in the front, just long enough. I don't want long bangs either. As you guys can tell, the ringlets by Freatress, the color is a little bit different curl pattern than the rest of them. Maybe I could have went a little tighter, but I mean, shoot, in real life our natural hair is not all the same texture, so what the hell does it matter, right? So I just finger it out, let it rock, girl, let it rock. And I'm going to use my edge, you guys know. Okay, the type of edge control, can't get it out, edge control that I use. Okay, so I'm just using that to lay my edges down to make this thing look mad natural. Okay, and use your favorite edge control. I'm not gonna knock you, do whatever you want. I just wanted to show you guys that you can flip this here to the side if you want. You can, with you parting and doing that spiral in the middle, you can also change your parting if you want to the other side, so that's cool as well. So yeah guys, this is pretty much it. This is how it looks in the back. Like you see, girls, I can cut a little bit more, but you know, like I said, it's a process. But yeah, this is how it looks. And guys, don't forget to subscribe down below if you want to see more videos, because I got more videos coming to you for some hair product reviews. Okay, so until next time, kisses from me to you. Bye.